So I've gotten the go-ahead to go do a circuit by myself here. He thinks I'm ready, so Arnie says you're ready, you're ready. It is a different plane to fly, I will admit that, especially on landing, but seems I've gotten the hang of it, so let's just see how she performs with one person on board.
Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound.
So, doors are locked and secure. Oil pressure's good, temperature's good, cylinder temperature's good, altitude's good, nobody coming. So let's see how she does by myself, or she should be taking off like a rocket. 1,000, 2,000 flaps. Here we go. Positive rate, flaps up. 1 notch. Flaps up, 2nd notch. We got her in the air, no problem. Feels good. No issues. Speed's good, 70 miles an hour. 650 foot climb. Nice gentle turn.
Saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of swing.
And 1,500 feet per circuit height. Going on the downwind.
And a crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in the corner. Young and dressed in their best brown baggies in their platform soles. They don't give a damn about any trumpet.
RPM back to cruise.
It ain't what they call rock and roll.
2,300.
And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans that play Creole. Creole.
Getting ready for the landing here. Very hot. 70 miles an hour, 1 notch of flaps. A little high, probably because I'm by myself. Climbed a lot better than I thought. I'll get her stable at about 70 and straight on the runway. I'll put down a 2nd notch. There's the runways in sight, no traffic. 2nd notch.
Good night. Now it's time to go home. Then he makes it fast with one more thing. We are the Sultans.
74 miles an hour. Get out of my way, bird. 72. Power back, round out, smooth, nose up, keep her up. My cheering squad on the side, carbine's go, flaps are up. It did glide a lot better with less weight in it, that's for sure. And we'll try one more. Air beats cold. Flaps down 1, 2. A little bit rough here. Climbing 800, 650, 600, 700 feet a minute. Flaps are up. I have a bit of sun on my face in this one because I'm coming in the opposite direction, but we'll see how she goes. And 1,500 feet. Going on the downwind. RPM is usually a good cruise for me. Car beats on, 73 miles an hour, 1 notch of flap. Start my turn at left base. Right base in this case, I guess. Altitude's good. A little bit of thermal there. Notch of flap. Miles an hour, a little fast. Slow her down a bit. There we go. 76. 73. Round her out. Round her out. Kill the power. Let her float. Let her float. Let her float. Let her float down. She comes. Good, 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 good. There we go. Perfect. Alright, I'm happy with that. I'm going to go park it for today. Flaps are up.